Hey there, welcome to your Shopify Horizon theme setup and full customization course. In this class, we are going to start working with product page. So this class will be very special because product page is one of the most important element or page of any Shopify online store or any e-commerce website. So I hope you will enjoy this class and you can learn something new and something special. Also, thank you so much for still now you have full interest to continue my course. So let's get started. In the previous class we have done so far, we have added our slider, banner, added logo, then product. Okay, also work with footer. We have removed the copyright tags like powered by Shopify, and today we are going to start working with product page. Okay, so to do this, first of all I'm going to open a product. For example, going to open this one. I also share the critical issues that you will face when you start working with Horizon and Horizon theme, and also I will share the solution or specific issue, specific every issue, not only specific few issue. That's mean you will get proper guideline. Okay, so right now we are on the Horizon product page, and you see it looks good. Product title, price, color chooser, and add to cart button, buy it now, and others element. Then you may also like or recommended product. That's it. But we want to make it more professional, more user friendly, and our main goal is to make it to convert visitor into customers. So we will learn which element we should to use and where you should to use, also how we can use it. For example, there are missing review, also video, a lot of things, countdown timer. Also add few elements to give the user feel urgency or importance or benefit to purchase this product. Okay, so now we are going to the customize section. Here is the Shopify admin panel, then click online store, and then click customize. Okay, we are right now on the product page customization section, and in the right side you can see that product media. And first of all we can select product type, like how it will display. Right now grid, we can make it carousel, and you can see that carousel is used on mobile. So if we visit with mobile, then the carousel will work, you see. And if we select grid, then grid will display, but grid work on desktop. So carousel for mobile. Then we can select the column, one column or two column. Then the grid column, we can select column 1 or column 2, and here is the gaps option. We can set the gap, you see. Let me make large gap. Okay, then you can understand better way. Then we can make full width first image. Looks here, we have made the full width first image, so we can do this from here. Remove the gap. Okay, looks good. Then carousel mobile pagination dot counter hint. If we select carousel on mobile, then we can select dot counter. You see there are 6 images and hint, you see, but by default dot looks good. Okay, then go back desktop version. Also you can select aspect ratio, partial, landscape, square, add up to image based on your requirement. If you want square, then you can select square. It's right now square, so you have to upload square image. Then landscape, if you use landscape image, then it looks like so, but partial looks good. Then corner radius, we can add corner radius in here. For example, I have added 50 pixel or 32 pixel, looks here. Okay, then extend media to screen grid, constraints screen height, enable zoom. If I click on it, zoom enable, video looping. If we have added video, then video looping work on here. So I hope you understand the corner radius. Also there have others option, for example extend media, consistent to skin height, enable zoom, video looping. If you use video, then you can select or disable video looping, hide unselected variant media. Then the padding. So this is the by default picture we can see in here, but if we want to add more things in here, then what we have to do, we can add any element on here based on our requirement. So first of all, I'm going to add a new section, click on here. Then we can add a section based on our requirement. For example, if you want to add any banner or marquee text, we can add it. Split showcase, we can add a split showcase in here. Okay, then if you want to add contract from, we can add contract from for custom order. Then also we can add custom liquid divider, then product highlighter, product list carousel, product list grid, recommended product we already added. Storytelling, this is very important part, storytelling. FAQ, we can add FAQ, we can add FAQ in here, this is very relevant. Then going to add another new element, add new section. There have others storytelling element, we already added FAQ. Then icon with text, we can add it. In here we can add free delivery, money back guarantee, 24 hours support or easy return. So I hope you understand, this is essential part of product page. Then adding the another section from storytelling, full quit slideshow video, we can add full quit in here. This is make the product page very unique. Okay, and finally add a video, we have added the video. I think it's enough so far to make our professional product page, but we have to arrange all the element nice way. So first we want to keep our product, then we want to add a video, up the video above FAQ. Yes, add video above FAQ. Of course we will work with video height, width. Okay, so we have added this one, then video, and now going to add another element, icon with text, move it above video. Okay, then FAQ, perfect, looks good. Going to click on the save and reload our product page. Product section, then the highlight featured like premium quality or made with like premium quality, money back guarantee, easy return and free delivery, something like that. We can add this content in here. Then video, we will work video height, then FAQ relevant this product, and that finally add a special review or best review in here, and then you may also like a recommended product. Now we are going to the backend again to check all the element option or section option. So first going to start with icon with text. In icon with text, what we can do, click on here. So in the icon with text, you see a lot of theme option ready for you. You can change anything based on your requirement. Just look from top to bottom. Layout, you can change the direction vertical to horizontal, vertical on mobile. Then alignment, we can select the alignment, change the position, change the gap. For example, I'm going to change this gap. You see, go back by default. Then we can change the size, width, phase or full width. You see, full width looks good. Then height auto, but we can select small, medium, large, full screen, custom based on our requirement. Then we can change the color, for example using color scheme 4. Also we can use background as image video. Border, we can select border. Then background overlay, padding top and bottom. So here is the all option icon with image. Also you see there is a group option. We can add link in title. We can select open link in new tab. Then gap, size, mobile view, height, appearance, everything is customizable in here. So you have to check everything. If you click on any element, you can customize it. It looks like a totally ready page builder, and you can change anything based on your requirements. Super easy and flexible. Okay, so now we are going to back to the video section. In the video section, first of all we can see that position center, gap with phase. Okay, all the by default option. Then click on the video source, uploaded or external. We can use external and add video YouTube. Then search fashion short, add video. So going to add this video, just copy the URL of this video, then go back, paste your video link in here. You can select autoplay, video loop. You can add video cover image, add alter text, size, width, aspect ratio. You can select the aspect ratio. Okay, and there are no option to change the height of video. Okay, so we have added the video. Then here is the caption. We can remove the caption from here. Remove, just keep the video. Then the FAQ, here is the all option for FAQ. All the option is same option, and you can change all the accordion from here. Open row by default, you can select open row by default. Okay, also the text, very easy option. We can change the text, background, typography, width and alignment and padding. And finally we are going to the full code. Looks here, text and full code. Okay, so I hope you can easily update your product page and make a professional product page based on your requirements. So finally click on the reload, and looks right now. Yes, you can change the color. Must have to use professional color match with your brand or product page. Then video, I think we have to create a new section or develop a new section to add a professional video in here. Then FAQ, looks here, and finally the code shop now button, and you may also like. Okay, so I hope you understand everything, but here is a critical issue that I want to mention. This is when I select color chooser black, only this image change, not change others images. Also, we still now don't find any option in their backend how to change all the images and change the color chooser or select different color chooser. So of course I will make the solution of this video. And we have also fixed another issue on the home page, how to use different logo for hero banner and header main logo. For example, this one black and this one white. So you will get all the critical issue solution in my YouTube channel. So that's why you just have to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, so when I upload new video, so that you can get easily all the notification on your email, phone or on your desktop. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.